is time again to cut my dogs. He's shaking. He's scared to death of it. But I have been waiting on a blade to come in for my clippers because I don't want to use the old blade. It's just dull and I don't want to pull their hair. But this is the second cut they've got this summer. They haven't got it yet, but it's going to have this summer. And little feller, I don't brush him much through the summer because I try to keep them summer cuts. And then in the winter, I try to keep them brushed and let their hair grow out so they'll be warm. But in the summer, they need to cool less hair. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Pete. He's my boy. And I want to put this on the lowest one, which is 9. And that is the longest blade because I don't want to cut him off bald. And my boy's gained a little bit of weight because I've been bringing food in here. I've been actually feeding him puppy food, wet puppy food. Because he's so skinny. I've took him to the vet. They said he's healthy. But he just doesn't eat and he doesn't want to eat. So I've been trying to find different things that he will eat. So my granddaughter had some extra puppy food. Well, the puppy grew up and they didn't need it anymore. So she asked me if I needed it. And I told her, I'll try it on Pete, see if he'll eat it. And he did. So I've been getting him out. And he has been loving it. And what I'm using right here is a Kimchi flash cutter. And it's really hard to find blades for. We'll give him a little break while I just cool down. What I'm gonna do now is while he's getting a little bit of a break, the papers are cooling down. I'm gonna give him a little bit of a haircut. A face cut. Pete is a little odd. He's got 4 new claws. And I'm not hurting him. It's the sound that scares him. Okay, we've still got a little stuff that we need to get done. But I'm going to put this back on so he can't get away. He's trying to jump down. And I'm going to trim his paw pads up and stuff, and his feet. And for this one, we are going to go down on the lowest one because that is what it takes. It's okay, I'm not getting him between your other toes. Here. Okay, this is going to make his feet look very ugly, but it's going to be a lot more comfortable for him in the summer. Okay, pigtail, let's... That's that side. Now let's go to the other side. You're doing good, baby. Okay, baby, one more. You look pretty good, baby. Pretty good.
My other mohawk. Look, he has a mohawk. Look.
Yep. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get Mr. Pete in the tub. Everything be cooling down. I'm going to clean everything up. And then we will come back. Unleash the beast. You see that nozzle? I just use an old pair of socks to cover their ears.
Well, we use them on fireworks too. You know, Mom?
Yeah. Okay, here we go, Pete Taylor. Let's see. Unplug it.
You have to plug it back. You have to plug it up.
Ready? Huh? Okay, Pete is pretty much dry, except for his face and his feet. And I'm not going to torture him anymore with that, so I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to trim him up a little bit. And we'll let him go.
Oh, you hear Dodge?
Yeah.
I'm in.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave his face wet, and I'm gonna finish blowing off here so he won't get stuff all over my house. I see a spot. Exit. Okay. And I'm gonna let him go and we'll bring in Stella.
I get her.
Hold on, just take him through.
You want more?
Okay, this is Stella. This is my baby girl. But she's one of the biggest from the litter of the Shih Tzu pups. And I think I'm going to let you down a little bit. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim her rear end up first because that way I can get her thing on here and not have to try to trim around it. Okay, we're gonna give her a little break now, and I'm gonna do her face. And her, well, I guess,
Her toes
yeah,
too.
let's do her toenails.
She don't like that party, not more.
It's okay, baby, it's just noise.
Here, I got her. I hold her face. Do you hear, Mom? Do you hear, Mom? I hold her face. Do you hear, Mom? Oh, girl, he'll be done soon.
One more, baby, one more. This is a long one. Okay, backwards. She don't have to do claws on the back.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Oh, goodness.
One more.
Okay, girl. Yep, we warm. I was gonna cut your tail off, but I worked hard on that tail, Missy.
One more.
I thought I was gonna cut her tail off, so I worked too hard on it, trying to get it to grow out.
She almost fell. You see that one? She smelled like a dreamboat. I mean, one.
Yeah, hope so.
No, Dr. White. He's gonna be hardest.
No.
Yeah, he's jealous. You know, Mom? You don't want you to smell fresh.
There you go, pretty girl. Now don't freak out. Okay, we're going to put the blade back up on high. And we're going to trim her up a little bit. She's good.
Pull, Mom. Pull, Mom.
Okay, baby doll.
Pull,
Looks
Mom.
like we got you ready.
She's done, Mom.
Yep, we just, well, I gotta comb her face.
Then I can get Dodge. You know, Mom?
Yeah, just a second.
Mr. Dodge. You know, Mom?
I gotta get the table and stuff cleaned up for you, no, just a minute.
I'm gonna do it at the table, Mom. Put it back there.
Yeah.
You smell good. You smell fresh.
She said that's because I is smell good and fresh, Leslie. Okay, let me both that body off of me.
She went blue. You know when she shook her head, she went,
Let me smell.
why you mess the spot, Mom?
Mm-hmm. Okay, are you ready? And stealing is done.
That's dodgy, guys.
Oh,
You know, Mom?
yep.
I told them that's dodgy.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't like to get this warmed up. I ain't gonna spray it on you yet. Okay. There we go. quit going around getting tangled up, son? Huh? Look at the hair, guys. Can you all see that? That dog is shedding. He's not even my dog. I just take care of him for my grandson. Okay, here's Dodgy. Come on, baby.
You know, I don't like a sock. How do you mind like a sock?
You don't see behind it. Ready?
You smell me. You strong, huh?
Okay. Mr. Dodge is ready to be turned loose. I am going to turn him loose. I'm going to put him in his bathroom. And then I am going to go take a de-shedder comb to him. Nope, come here a minute. Make sure that you just yet. Hold on.
What is that stuff?
Biotin
For what?
for dogs.
I know that.
Makes your hair shiny.
Or smell good.
Yeah, it smells good too. Okay, take him in there, baby.
I don't really waste a canine. Dodgy.
Oh. It took me 2 hours and 45 minutes to groom all three of these dogs. And this one, even though he had a good blowout, he still has all kinds of dog hair. So I'm gonna take this grooming comb over him. Just like this, see? And I'm gonna get all the hair I can get out of him because this hair goes on my furniture. safe to say that I am hairy as can be. That took me 17 minutes and 52 seconds. And I do want you to look at the hair. And it's all on my floor. Look at that. That is a lot of hair for $1. Friends, I'm covered in hair and I'm tired. I am gonna go, I feel like I've got it in my mouth. I'm gonna go take me a shower. I'll see everybody next video. Bye.